When we study society, it's easy to focus only on numbers. How many people do something? What percentage agrees with an idea? But numbers don't always show the full picture. They tell us what's happening, but not why. That's where the qualitative method in sociology comes in. It helps us see the world through people's eyes, through their stories, through their everyday lives. Qualitative research is about understanding how people think, feel, and experience the world. It doesn't rely on large sets of data. Instead, it focuses on individual voices. It asks questions like, why do people act the way they do? How do they make sense of their lives? And what meaning do they give to their experiences? It's about going deep, not wide. And it looks at the real human side of history. How does it work? There are a few key methods used in qualitative research. 1. In-depth interviews. 2. Participant observation. 3. Focus groups. 4. Content and discourse analysis. Let's delve a little deeper into each one. It's a personal conversation between a researcher and a participant. It's not about yes or no answers. It's about stories. The researcher listens and follows the conversation wherever it leads. For example, if someone is studying migration, they might ask, how did it feel to leave your home? What challenges did you face in a new culture? These stories reveal emotions and insights, which numbers can't. This method takes the researcher into real-life settings. It could be a school, a workplace, a mosque, or a neighborhood. The researcher observes, and sometimes even participates. By spending time with people, they begin to see patterns, routines, and hidden social dynamics, all while taking notes. It's one of the best ways to understand a community from the inside, but can be exhausting to be immersed. This method brings people together to talk, usually 6 to 10 participants in a group discussion. It's great for exploring collective experiences, such as, how do young people feel about social media? How do different groups talk about identity? Listening to people speak together reveals a lot about shared values and differences, and can reveal how people in societies think about certain topics. This method doesn't involve interviews. Instead, the researcher looks at language, what's written or said in public. They might analyze news articles, social media posts, or political speeches. For example, how are immigrants described, as invaders or families seeking safety? These word choices reveal deep social beliefs and attitudes, and it can change over time due to social change and social trends. There are 4 main reasons. It catches context. It explores the complexity of ideas and emotions. It gives people a voice. It doesn't have a fixed plan. It evolves with the story. Qualitative research is about empathy, listening, observing, and understanding. It reminds us that sociology isn't just about systems or numbers. It's about people. Through their stories, we gain insight into the richness of society. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos about sociology.